Hey, how's it going? Real quick one here. I'm going to show you how to make my Mediterranean Greekish spice rub. Great on pork, chicken, probably lots of other things. So real fast, just a little rub. We're going to combine a couple ingredients here, and then later on I will have a video of me using this on a pork loin to make a nice seasoned marinated pork loin with some Greek potatoes. So let's get started. First ingredient, well, first one we're going to put in here, garlic powder, 2 teaspoons, cumin, 2 tablespoons, marjoram, and now this is ground marjoram, ground, so it's like a powder. Can be sort of hard to find, but I've been able to get it in the grocery store pretty regularly. So again, 2 tablespoons of ground marjoram. Next one, sage. Same, 2 tablespoons, ground powdery sage. Kosher salt, 2 tablespoons. And last but not least, once again, we're going to the black pepper, and as usual, I'm going to grind that fresh. I'm going for 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. And obviously I wanted that pretty fine, so that's 1. 2. Oh, man, that smells good. All right, and that's it. So I usually make it into a larger container like this. And actually, I was almost out, so I make up these batches, and I was running low, so I decided to make me up a new one. So I'm going to just take the remainder of the old batch and dump it in there. I'm going to seal it up. Shake it up, and we're good to go. That's my Mediterranean Greek spice rub. Enjoy.